to the other one. Something wrong in his eyes? Hey, Mother Kitty. How's your baby? Huh? How's the baby, Mother Kitty? Oh, the eyes. Show me your eyes, baby. Something wrong in your eyes? Show me. We need to treat your eyes. Show me. Show me. Show me your eyes. Oh my gosh. I will treat your eyes. How are you, Mother Kitty? Okay? I feel this, Mother Kitty. I feel you're weak. Hi, babies. Kawawa naman itong Miming. One of their eyes is infected. I need to clean it with something. Babies. Hello. Kawawa naman ikaw, Mimi. Magano tayo ng tissue, ha? Kain kayo makaroni? Gusto nyo kain kayo makaroni? Makain kayo ng makaroni? Chi? Kain makaroni, bebe? Eating macaroni. Eat na, Mother Kitty. Yeah. The other one didn't eat. Kain na. Huwag nang piki. Huwag na kayong piki-piki, ha. Kung gutom, kain lang kahit ano. Ha. Huwag na magpiki-piki ang mga Mimi. Wawa naman nito. Paano kayang mata nito? Kain sila ng macaroni. Hindi kinain. Kumain yung nanay, tapos ginaya lang nila, kumain din sila. Hey, Mother Kitty. Did you eat? I'm thinking to give you my chicken. For you. Na. Hindi nila nakita yung mga Manila kasi. Sana kaya yung ano nito? Yum, yum. Yummy. Ikaw, kain na.